Hi, Dave.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. I protest against eating food at 12 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock. Aren't you hungry?
No.
Well, then don't eat, Dave.
I protest against it. You should die if you eat at 12 o'clock.
Oh, well, then don't eat.
You
Then I don't have to cook that little blonde boy dinner or lunch.
You have to cook everyone lunch.
Oh, you're knocking the vitamins off the counter.
I know.
Dave, fix your hair.
Never.
Dave. Stop it, Dave. Dave, you're going to break those piggy banks. Stop it. Dave. Stop. Stop it. Dave, fix your hair. Stop. You're going to break those and they'll be glass all over. Dave, fix your hair. Fix it. It's sticking up. Alright, say goodbye, Dave.
Never.
Say goodbye.